Hey nail family, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a simple dry manicure prep. Right now I'm just pushing back my cuticles, getting my nail plates ready. And here I am scraping up some dead skin off of the nail plate surface. Okay, so once the cuticles are pushed back and the dead skin has been scraped up off the nail plate, I switch over to my electric hand file with the flame bit to get into the side walls and catch all the hangnails if there's any there. This also helps to push back the cuticles some more. Once all of that has been completed, I get out the nippers, cut off all of the dead skin and hangnails around the fingernail. Because if you leave that, it will snag and it will pull and you will cry. So once all of the eponychium has been pushed back and the dead skin has been trimmed away, I switch to a buffing bit, buff the skin around the nails so that there's no flaky looking skin. Once the skin has been buffed, I switch over to my sanding bands to remove the shine from my nail plate because this is still a prep video. Once all of the nail prep has been completed, I clean off my work surface, grab me a lint-free wipe, put some alcohol or acetone on it, and wipe off the surface of the nails to ensure all the dust has been removed. Afterwards, you may proceed as normal with either a gel manicure or any type of extensions that you are looking for.